We're done, right? Kids, are we done yet? Okay, well first, just stay there for 1 second if you don't mind. We have a couple things we need to talk about. First of all, thank you so much everybody for this, but I did not do this by myself. Raise your hand here if your mom or dad was out there that day at the Eagle March. Look at all of these hands. I want to give a round of applause to all your parents who are out there. And to all your teachers that came out, to Mrs. Monteith who ran laps with every single one of you, or was high-fiving every single one of you. How about Mrs. Monteith? So there's so many people I want to thank, but I know we have something kind of important to get to, right? Okay, so I think you all remember when I came out first a couple weeks ago to talk to you about this Eagle March, there were 3 things that I said Mrs. Monteith would do for you if we raised enough money. Do you guys remember what those 3 things were? Okay, so the first thing was a dye your hair blue, and that got a couple of votes, and the second thing was to wear a Halloween costume, and that too got a couple of votes.
Still do that.
Well, yeah, but the third thing that overwhelmingly all of you chose was what? That you did have to raise enough money. Do you guys remember how much money we were supposed to raise? $15,000. $15,000. And we saw a bunch of awards being given out today for a lot of money, right? I have a piece of paper that tells us how much money we raised. It's right here. What do you think? Do you think we did it? All right. The total amount that you guys raised for your school, and you guys did this. You ready?
Yeah.
$18,753.46. Miss Monteith is getting slime! So here's what we're going to do. Because this is about money and how much money we raised, I want to bring the top 3 fundraisers in the school. So who was that? Des, Jake, and Pauline. And you guys get to do the sliming.